I just saw how it dropped. It's like no battery and just come out. Hope I can save you. If it doesn't cost so much, take care, baby. Take care. I'm so sorry. Hello guys, this is 𝗟𝗜𝗞𝗘 here. So today I have a very sad news to share with you. This is the first time I see my drone lose its power the moment I want to land it. Like just I think around 8 meters from above, and then suddenly you see it lose battery power, and then suddenly just like that, and you see it fall down. So this is how it looks like, right? Got 4 legs, 1 broken, 2 cracked, and third here, this one also broken. Can you see? And I just found out that it's all because of this battery. It just bloated, and tada, can you see? It just bloated, but the good thing is it didn't explode. Okay, so this kind of battery, DJI Mavic Pro, you need to dispose it properly. If you have battery like this, or this kind of huge battery like your power bank that's already broken, you don't simply throw into the rubbish bin or even the rubbish truck. You need to collect it all together, and then you go and dispose it at here, this link below. So somewhere in Cyberjaya there's a place where they collect all this kind of battery. You see this bloated, need to be very careful when handle this, because you don't know what time or what moment it's going to explode. See, bloated, so bloated, and that's why I lose my drone, my so faithful drone here. This one is so good to me, you know. It's like since MCO, this is the 3rd time I fly it during MCO, so I'm not sure whether I still can fix it or not, because it's dangling leg here. Rest in peace, baby. Please rest in peace. And Mavic Pro, I already buy the battery, like this new battery, like how many times, and then I only use it charged for like 30 to 40 times, then it start to bloat it again, and then this one it just give out on me. Can you see? It's just bloated like this. How about my camera? My camera part I think still intact. Yeah, I just need to put it back. You can see that here I can just slide in. Later I adjust like this, and then just slide in. Alright, I think camera still okay. I just need to remove the dirt. And then the propeller here, 1 wing broken, and then here plastic crack. You can see it comes up a bit already. So this one, if we can fix and change the wing to like a, not sure how much, hopefully I can still fix it, because I love it so much. My baby yo, my first drone, and all thanks to this battery. This is the power connector. So the moment your battery bloated, just imagine like this, it was attached, and then your battery bloated, like accidentally it just pushed up away. So when it detached, you lose all the power to control your drone. So the moment your drone flying like this, and then you see like shoo 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 shoo, and just landed, and it crashed my leg. Goodbye. Alright, let's hope that I still able to repair this, and how much it costs. If it's too much, then I think it's time to start raising money to invest in a new drone. And in order for you to support me indirectly, just don't skip the advertisement the next time when you see my new YouTube video, so that I have more new drone footage or photo to share with you guys on my Instagram or blog. The next day.
这个细化其实很快冷的，它这是一个传热的，因为你空气太冷的时候，它这里面会那一层其实会生水啊。
哦 ，OK。
就好像你的这 camera lens 对，你如果你像那个什么 ND filter 或者那个什么 polarizer 的，或者那个 HRV 那个，你如果忽然从跨越很热很冷的地方出来的话，它马上里面会先生一层水嘛，因为里面它是一个 pocket of air
condensation 啊，
那是另一个问题哦。
所以去那种极度天气的地方，就是会有这样的问题啊。
极度天气会有这样子，可是就是说 battery 本来自己是 很不耐冷，很不耐温度了。如果太过 extreme 的话，你电话也是一样嘛，你拿，好像我之前去哈尔滨。拿出来，我真的是差一点，我电话死掉，幸好我去用手摸。我的 Note 9哦
，Note 9，
我的 Note 9上1年爆了。去哈尔滨马上关掉，我笑了。
它自动关，哈尔滨肯定太冷了。肯定太冷
啊！所以你要小心，赶快包着。
keep 在你的 body 啦。OK。
SD 卡你们自己拿。
我还没拿出来。
你们的隐私的 privacy 是DJI我们
是了解，谢谢你提醒。怎样称呼你？
我叫 Sean， 我是这边的副店长，可是我拜六拜日的今天没有来啦。
OK。
跟朋友一起来。
高兴遇到你。因为我其实蛮好奇为什么这样快肿胀。
还有另外一个东西什么？就是马来西亚很长顾客们丢进车备箱。
为什么？那battery这样大力不能放在车
？battery 可是顾客就是有些讲。因为丢上去里面就这样子。
如果时常坐飞机飞出国的话，会不会影响
？OK， 它是
因为上下需要。
最重要的东西，如果你有 drone 的话，你一定要 declare to customs， 就好像你有拿肉拿超过5000，
要跟他讲你有
declare 对。个人有些要做一些 paperwork， 可是这个我暂时还不大清楚，是因为以前我爸带我出去的时候，他帮我搞挺到完的。drone 的话不要放上面，放在脚底。
上面哪里？飞机不能放上面。
人家顺手的话就很惨了。
差8米它就很安全的降落了的。
对。
你就看到它 lose power 就忽然间掉。
因为你这进了烂泥还是水？泥土罢了。没有进到水边。没有。如果进到水是很大麻烦。
进到水就不用，我就不会先来收费小了，我会问你星期多少钱，有没有 promotion 呢？对不对？所以我现在在 Paradigm Mall 的 DJI Store send 我的 drone 进去 check 一下，看可不可以救。遇到这位帅哥叫 Sean。
所以说你要联络我们，可以 WhatsApp 我们最快。
OK。可以。
因为第一个问题是我从这边首先看到，我怕是有可能你的机是有进到沙。
OK。有，我觉得有因为它跌下来的时候有一些地方 crack 开了。
对 ，crack 开是另外一个问题，可是进气里面是其他问题。
OK。
Day 3.
Okay, so managed to get my drone fixed at the DJI Authorized Store in Paradigm Mall, and these are the broken parts. Ta-da! Luckily, still can save this baby. And I bought a new battery. 450, is it? Yeah, 450. Back. Alright, got my drone fixed. So hopefully next time I can try the other drone, Mavic 2 Pro or Zoom, or even Mavic 2 3 Pro. Thank you DJI here, Paradigm Mall. Highly recommended on their service because I sent in my drone on Saturday evening, and then during like Sunday, and then people start message me, update me on WhatsApp group like what are the wings that's broken and what are the parts that need to be fixed. And then on I think Sunday evening it's already done, because after I say proceed, then the Mr. Thomas will start to just fix my drone. And in total, because I buy a new battery which is 400 plus, it will be total 1,100 𝗟𝗜𝗓. That's all. Bye. Okay, because a little drama. It's supposed to be 860, not 680. So to save her life, I think I should really go and pay a little bit more, or else her boss will sure mara him a lot. So let's go. Let's do it, because their service so good, then I should pay what I should pay lah. Let's go.